Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic is Nonconforming Product. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is the first Executive Series video that you've seen, please go back and check out the Executive Series introduction. Look at the video description below for links to any supporting information and a summary of the material that we will cover today. In each video, I have a standard agenda, which covers 4 items. You can see those in the progress bar. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to get the 3 bonus questions. Our topic, Nonconforming Product, comes directly from 820.90 and 1345 section 8.3. Nonconforming product in 5 words. Prevent shipment of nonconforming product. We have to have a procedure that outlines how we control and manage and disposition nonconforming product. Once we've determined that a product is nonconforming, either through a failed test or a failed manufacturing control, there are 6 requirements that we have to fulfill. We have to immediately identify, document, evaluate, segregate, and disposition that nonconforming product. We also have to investigate it. If we decide that we are not going to do an investigation, we have to capture a rationale for why we won't do the actual investigation. In the procedure, we have to outline the responsibility and authority for dispositioning nonconforming product. There are certain dispositions which carry more regulatory risk. 2 of them are concessions and rework. A concession means that I am going to use nonconforming product. I'm actually going to use product or release product that does not meet my specification. If I'm going to do a concession, I have to have a scientific rationale based on data and supporting risk management that the actual finished medical device, it will not have its safety and effectiveness compromised. I have to document that rationale. Rework, if I choose to do rework, there are 4 other requirements that I have to meet. I have to have a rework work instruction. I have to train my operators to that rework work instruction. I have to review the rework itself for any potential adverse effect that rework may have on my product. And then finally, once my rework is complete, I have to re-inspect the product to its original acceptance criteria. Once all that work is done, I will have a completed nonconformance record. Your DHRs for your finished medical devices have to capture all nonconformances that occurred during the manufacturing process. How do I know this is working? Well, first, I have a procedure that clearly defines how I control, review, evaluate, segregate, investigate nonconforming product. Second, nonconforming product is clearly segregated away from conforming product. Third, I do my investigations. Fourth, if I disposition concession or rework, I meet all the regulatory requirements. So basically, I'm controlling my nonconforming product. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, product failures or manufacturing control failures are not treated as nonconformances, and they're not fed into the nonconforming product process. Second, a concession, which is a design change, is not reviewed and approved by someone from the design and development group. We want R&D to review our concessions and approve them. And then finally, when I do rework, I don't meet all the requirements. Now for those 3 bonus questions. First, who has to review and approve a concession? Second, where do we document our rework instructions? Third, how do we review adverse effect of the rework on the actual product? Where do we capture that? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.